Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto, and welcome to a new video on Ethereum. Wanted to do a quick video on that. I haven't covered Ethereum in a while, but obviously this weekend we saw Ethereum against Bitcoin perform relatively well. It has given up all of its gains, so that's no longer that relevant. But in general, that was quite interesting. Interesting to see. Right now, we're also still at a major support level, so who knows what could happen. And in general, there's just not that much to cover right now. All right, so that makes Ethereum, which is still a crypto that's traded a lot, has a lot of volume, and tends to respect technicals, makes it more interesting to analyze. All right, so that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. Now, what I want to do first is actually start off with some fundamentals, because personally, as most of you know, I haven't covered Ethereum in a very long time, and I also don't cover it that often. If you look at the statistics right now, the daily transactions, daily active addresses, I'd say that's very much in line with the market. I mean, if you put these numbers on the chart of Solana's statistics, for example, it's pretty much the same. But if you look at the total value locked, that's actually still doing quite good. Personally, I mean, right now, I actually do think I use the Ethereum network quite a bit. I think it's quite usable. I mean, gas fees are still too high. Right now, I think you pay between $5 and $10 per transaction, per swap at least. So that's still relatively high. But as you can see from the market, last 2 weeks, there's been quite a lot of growth, and we're still at those levels around the all-time high in total value locked. So fundamentally, I think that there's still quite a lot bullish about Ethereum. The problem is that technically, we're not doing great. All right, we had some sort of momentum yesterday, and you can also see that in the technicals, as you could have just seen. You saw some sort of short-term bullish market structure come to existence right here, especially with the bullish momentum we had on Saturday and Sunday. That did open the imagination to potentially moving up again. But then we got two rejections overnight, here around 3,200, but also a little bit higher around 3,240. And at the same point of time, practically for the last 2 days, so since Sunday, the momentum has dropped down a lot. All right, so the momentum was still yesterday evening, etc. It found some support, and there was maybe some hope that we could get some momentum up. But since then, and over the course of this morning, we've seen a sell-off, all right, also in spot. So is there a chance that we can still get some bullish momentum? Yes, but it's not most likely right now, all right? Right now, you can see that the momentum is dropping down. We've just had a big drop in spot and futures CVD. So the market, and then I'm talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're at a decent support here, right? So we have the support level around 3,050, but we do need to get some movements from there soon. All right, because if that level breaks, we've already given up this short-term bullish market structure, if you even want to call it that. So right now we are consolidating, and I would say the main consolidation is between 3,050 right here, and then at the top, which we got a fake out above once, around 3,290. This is the main consolidation, so that means we're now at the bottom of the consolidation. So we need to see that momentum do something like this very, very soon. And I'm not sure if we can expect that. In these market circumstances, I would say it's even more likely that, you know, we might get some sort of a bounce from here, but that afterwards we will drop down lower towards 2,850 again. So that's what I would prepare for. I mean, keep your eyes on that open interest. I'll keep you updated on that as well. If that does start to bottom out and starts to move up again, then it's possible that we bounce here and get back up to 3,200 and maybe even 3,300. But with the sell-off we're seeing right now, and with the weakness in the market as a whole, I would say it's more likely to expect more bearish momentum. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for Ethereum right now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.